Hi guys, I have just finished cook and I'm eating. I cooked cabbage with saltfish and dumpling and green banana. But now, so when I'm not eating enough, I drink water or juice. But me, I stay healthy and I drink some water because I'm in a pen today. I paid juice me I drink. Yeah. I really want a little juice. Juice right here, so yeah. But I stay hydrated. I'll go water. But it's all left in my food, and we'll finish. We get back to them. So now just stay right here, so just stay right there, so don't drop. Listen. Yeah, good now. But as me say, I got me a pen today, right? I want my family I got me a pen. It's like it was hectic because after when I'm getting a me a pen, I'm getting a market. Everything in the market raise. When I say everything, I mean everything. Ginger for $400. $400 now ginger. 2 pound cabbage for $300. $100 for $8 pound for carrot. I'm buy $100 worth. My money done. Money done. So everything get expensive. Anybody who out there, anybody who they are applying for the market, better on the farm on the yard. Like look, we don't find one land and farm. Can piece of land on a farm up when I go off to cook. That's all me have to tell you. Because if I go out and make pen with $3,000 or $4,000, by the time I quit I took up about 45 your money done.
He would not classify himself as a woodworker.
Can't me never tell me.
He's built a lot of stuff.
When the money done, by the time I take up 3 to 4 something. Bird raise. Juice they raise. Power. You see the juice what they call power? The energy drink? I pay $200 fee. $200. And I ask my man do it power and I come I forget strength on, but I don't really buy it. I'm a friendly buy. But it is for $200. $200 for one bottle of power. $200. $200, no? Everything I raise. When I voting back Porsche seems to me like that's what I made to.
Yeah, you just seem big at that.
When I voting back Porsche is better. And Joan is just going to mash up the country. Mash up the country.
How are my marble countertops coming?
Faux marble?
From 10 paces back, it looks like marble to me. I'm at Dustin's cabinet shop because he is going to show me how to turn wood into a slab of faux marble because it's going to save us a ton of money.
Your picture frame, actually.
Yep.
Remember that?
Yep.
So basically, I just have this rough and in.
Yeah.
If you want to, we can get this prepped out in the studio if you want to help me do it.
I do want to see how to do it.
So this is the good stuff.
Okay.
So once you stick it, it's done.
It's there.
We get the edges really good because that's the place that's going to start peeling up first.
Yeah.
Then we got to do this side as well. That's going to guarantee that we get a really good adhesion. All right, here's the most important part. So take these towels. We're just going to lay them crossways.
This is like a little mukbang.
On the edge.
I mean, this is a mukbang, yeah? It's all good mukbang. Because if you talk to them, you know, can't just sit down and say such and such. I'm for sure a really nice story go. Okay, see? When I'm going to market today,
Make sure
it's something them now.
Take that car, see if it'll lift up.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's good stuff.
The things are usually cheap when Porsche seem to be like in as Prime Minister, but now everything raised.
Laminate countertops only be like 2 or 3.
When the reality is fair raise, my friend forgot a me pen. My friend forgot a me pen.
That's so cool.
It's $120.
It really does look like a piece of stone.
Or me usually pay $100 for
I mean,
garlic
this is a
pen.
reasonable solution.
If
to
you come
save
back at
money and be
170,
functional. I mean, it's gonna stand up.
I'm usually pay
Years and years
150.
from now,
All I do
it's
is
gonna take
$20
care of
there
like
and
it
I'm
is.
penny fear. But you know what's a $20 hard to find nowadays, you know? $20 is so hard to find nowadays.
Good morning. Can't get here on time, just get here
And to my
when you
taxi
can.
man then greedy. If you have $20,
Yeah, this supposed to go in the bathroom.
Oh,
if you have $20,
we just fly
then
you
kill
to
your
work
feet.
with it.
Out here in the open.
Out here in open, especially for a little bit.
Some
bigger
of
guy
them,
like
not
you.
all of them.
It's gonna be
Some of
helpful.
them we see because they know say 20. Some of them know say $20 hard to find nowadays. $20 is very hard to find nowadays.
So what all do we need to do out
To them I
here
got me a
before we do
pen.
anything?
Never have $20, so just give me $1,000 me have in my pocket.
Okay.
Just
Let's do it.
$1,000. I'm very sorry for my ear. My head is killing me.
I still don't.
So yeah. I'm not showing you real and true. I'm not showing you raw. I'm not showing no fake me. I'm not showing you real and true me. This is the real Marshall. I saw my ears stay sometime. And sometimes maybe even madder. But me not compare YouTube. Maddy. But me either hurt me, and when me either hurt me, if me catch it up, it's gonna hurt me worse. So me just leave it like this. Just leave it like this, cause me catch it up, me either gonna hurt me more. Me actually me travel with migraine, so yeah. So I eat my green banana. Okay, green banana. Eating my green banana. It's very good food. But I not eat green banana after my life gone. I love ketchup on my food. I love ketchup on my food. I love ketchup on my food. I love ketchup on my food.
Then sure. Vacation House Rules. All new Saturday night on HGTV. And streaming season 1 on Discovery
I love
Plus.
ketchup bad on my food. Anything me I eat ketchup for the pudding. But I mean not super and porridge. But anything else me I eat it as in solid food, like rice, food itself, dumpling, bananas, and you can see, I'm sure. Ketchup. That's what I see. Ketchup in my food. I can't eat without ketchup. There, can't eat without ketchup. Ketchup off of there pan everything when I eat.
Yep, bringing your visions.
All of the food tastes good by itself, but still have ketchup on it.
Oh wow, can I try that? Oh sure.
Like my dumpling.
I knew it.
And for people them out there, we always need flour by itself. It's not good. It will make you can't do though. So no one do. You buy like 3 pound of cornmeal or 4 pound of cornmeal. When I go grocery shop and I buy it and put it down, that's when I need flour. No, so I cook flour and put little cornmeal in the because we buy up on the bottle and can. We can't do that. We can't sell it on YouTube, but we can go to the bathroom when you guys are ready to go to the bathroom. So please, I'm begging you guys, when buy flour, buy either 3 to 4 pound of cornmeal or 2 pound, any amount you can afford. And when cook on the dumpling, we will put it cornmeal in there. In the year, alright. I'm gonna put the cornmeal in there. Be kind of good food when I buy it up and you when you know good food and you can, you know what, I know and you know what, and you can't go do it. You know if you use other things to make it go out. That's not good. Make you do the come. Your body is strained when that happens. But anyways, I am going to finish eating and then I'll then I will talk to you guys.
It's
So.
the future.
Get out of here. I'm leaving with my gold.
It's not crazy. It's an omelet. Just crack
If
an
you
egg.
know where Jamaican eat, that's what Jamaican people eat. But I'm not eat half full. Tell them that. I'm not eat half full. My favorite thing is starfish.
Whoa.
Starfish and cabbage, my favorite.
This is
My go-to.
really pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like the vinyl?
I really do. I like the vinyl.
It is.
I like the vanity.
You can finally get a sense for the bathroom and how it's going to feel space-wise, and I think it's really good. It's not cramped at all, especially if you have two ladies trying to get ready at the same time, like using the vanities. This house is like 2 seconds away from being there. Thanks, Mike.
This is nice. Normally I walk over, there's reclaimed wood with nails all gnarly, tearing my hands off.
Not today.
Not today. This stuff puts itself together, man.
You don't know what we're building?
What we got?
We're gonna build 2 desks, but they actually are gonna be kids' desks.
Oh, yeah.
So Lisa and my Cochran's house. You're in the kitchen, then you got a little dining area, and then there's just a little more room, 2 desks on either side of the doorway going into the living room.
Yeah.
You know, little homework
So
session.
guys,
Oh, yeah.
So we'll do a MDF
finish
top,
eating.
and then I want
Here.
to frame it.
Finish
It's
eating.
maple because it's
I'm
hard.
going to rinse out
I think
my
it'll be really cool.
plate
Yeah,
and
this is all gonna get handled.
get back to you guys. But I
Fast
believe
part.
the camera just don't eat. I'm going to pregnant and I'm going to just big.
This is a lot. It's a kid's homework. It's a kid's practice. If it gets messed up between families, we're just gonna like it. Perfect.
That's the shin protector right there.
But I still, it needs to be designed. You know, we're gonna put a little shade to it. We don't want it to just be, look like something somebody put out of a pallet. Still not sure why.
Man, I love it. I mean, that maple just changes that MDF, you know?
I know. Once it's painted, it's.
Okay guys,
It's a great homework desk. Golly. Tell you what, I'm glad I don't have to do homework anymore.
So you're just working on your home.
I'm going to put extra water on this because I want more water for drink. Here I go.
This is my first time in here. Yeah, thank you. Oh no, isn't it? The goal was to make it feel cheerful. I know, take it out, lemons. But this is like a plastic, basically big stickers. Yeah, wallpaper. I'm gonna put it on this back wall. Okay. Up to the hood vent and stop it over this way. So like the backsplash. Yeah, this is the backsplash. And I was noticing it's vinyl, so easy to clean. Super easy to clean. We're budget conscious. We went with this because it's really this to be a multi.
So guys, I
for these
am
women and their kids. But
currently
then
going
the
in my
next step
room.
up for them should be a little better than this, right? And like these lemons. Make lemonade.
I'm going in my room. I actually want to talk to you guys about something. So let me get comfortable and nice. Can't talk too no. I'm gonna go comfy and nice. I can't talk too. I'm gonna comfy. Sorry. Fix this good. Fix the camera good. Alright. Guys, I as you know, I am Marsha. And I will be 21. November coming. I am currently, as I said, I am currently on job hunting. And as I said to you guys, job hunting is very hard. Job hunting is hard. It's not easy. Nothing in life not easy. First of all, nothing in life isn't easy. Make that clear. But when I say for Andrew Honest coming in our country, everything change. Every single thing change. Uno didn't know say Portia turned on the disease when turned on this coronavirus where Andrew Honest agreed to. You didn't know? Something like so. Or she didn't turn on the she never did sign to the injection, something like so. And as Andrew Owen is coming to our country, everything changed. When Portia did did in a parliament, or they didn't know